Beneath the surface of the ocean lies a forgotten world, a world shaped by time, pressure, and predators. This is Earth as it once was, when the sea belonged to giants. These oceans were the birthplace of complex life. Creatures fed on algae, plankton, and one another. Here, evolution experimented, testing speed, armor, and survival itself. As time passed, predators grew larger and deadlier. Dunkleosteus, an armored titan with jaws built to crush bone. It fed on fish, ammonites, and anything foolish enough to challenge it. Not all giants ruled the open sea. Titanoboa, the largest snake ever known, dominated warm rivers and coastal waters. It fed on enormous fish, crocodilians, crushing its prey with unstoppable force. And then came a predator without equal, Megalodon, a shark large enough to hunt whales. It fed on marine mammals, massive fish, ruling the ocean through sheer dominance. These creatures are gone now, but their legacy remains beneath the waves. If you enjoyed this journey into Earth's ancient oceans, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more cinematic explorations of our planet's deep past.